Greetings and welcome to the channel, Finance with Objectives. The topic we will be talking about is financial trading. Have you ever wondered, what are put and call options? But, before getting into the subject of put and call options, you must subscribe to the channel, Finance with Objectives, so that you can receive the best topics on finance. What is put and call options? Today, some stock exchanges around the world allow listed companies to use options, which give an entity the right to sell or buy a security at a future date, in company buy-sell transactions. The put and call options are agreements to buy and sell shares of a company, but above all, they are tools that provide flexibility for the seller and the buyer to agree on the transfer of a company, the conditions and the most appropriate price to your interests. The use of a call options can have a positive impact on a transaction in several ways. 1. Reduce buyer risk. 2. Tax benefits. 3. Structuring. This means that a seller may have a put options that may force the buyer to buy for a certain price under certain factors. Some of the benefits for the seller are: 1. Realization of the total value of the business. 2. Business continuity. However, many companies consider the individual and combined design of call and put options to ensure that the best results are achieved for the seller and the buyer. If you want to know more about finances, give it a like and subscribe to our channel and leave us your comments.